Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 18th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures starting to slump here a little bit, so we'll see how it plays out. Right now, they're down about 6.25 points to 71.12.5 per contract. Futures were much higher, but they really have faded over the last hour or so. So we'll see how this shakes out today. But this is an options expiration Friday. So again, we'll sit tight and we'll see what it gives us. But in the meantime, we still have lots of stocks in the news. We're going to start the day off with the first one here, which is Applied Materials, AMAT. They reported earnings today. Stock is trading at $50.56. That's down from $53.96. I still think we have a fair amount of support here around 48 bucks. So we'll see how that shakes out around 48. We'll look to probably play it in the morning. If you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. But we will be watching this stock at around $48, and we'll see how it plays out there. I do think there's a very good amount of support. Now, this could be affecting other equities out here. You want to keep an eye on stocks like Xilinx today. That could be under a little bit of pressure. Lam Research could be under a little bit of pressure. You can see it's down already. KLA 10 Core could be under pressure. That's down already as well. So all of these semiconductor equipment stocks under some pressure on the lead of AMAT. So AMAT with earnings, and that is down. But we will be watching that one this morning once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at John Deere. Ticker symbol is DE. Stock right now is trading at 146.55, closed at 146.81. It was higher a little while ago, trading above 148.50, but it has come back into basically the flat line. So we'll be watching this one today. I don't think there's much to do here yet. And again, once the opening bell rings, we'll look to look at this one a little bit closer. Probably seeing some support if it does fall around 144.5 and also 143.70. Depends on how it gets in there. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll maybe get a play on that today. Let's take a look at Nordstrom. Ticker symbol is JWN. This is my wife's favorite store. Stock right now is trading at $46.60, closed at $50.91. So Nordstrom, good haircut here. I'll have levels for us ready in the intraday stock chat room. Now remember, retail has been coming out all week. You had the big move in Macy's, but here's probably an upscale retailer that traders might want to watch a little closer, and that's Nordstrom, and that is falling a little bit this morning. Again, closed at $50.91. It is now trading at $46.62. I will have levels ready to play Nordstrom this morning. Let's take a look at Campbell Soup. CPB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting cooked. It's traded yesterday at the close at $39.22, now trading at $36.06. I have levels I see off the bat right here, but they're a lot lower. We'll see. I'll post them anyway. They'll be up in the intraday stock chat room, and we'll see if we get a play on this Campbell Soup. But I do see a really, really good spot for a trade, and we are getting down there to that level. So, again, Campbell Soup will be on the radar this morning. Let's take a look at AZN, which is AstraZeneca. It looks like they're trading at $35.58. They closed at $36.44. So again, that is down a little bit. I might have a level for this. I'm seeing something already on the chart. I'll try to post that up in the intraday stock chat room as well. So AstraZeneca, which is ticker symbol AZN, will be in play today if it does slip a little bit more, and we might get to see it. So keep that one on the radar too. I'll have the numbers for you in a little while in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at BIDU. Looks like BIDU, leading Chinese ADR, getting clobbered this morning. Stock closed at $279.68. It is now trading at $265.20. I'm going to need a little bit of time to work on some numbers with this one, but I do see some levels here that I do like. So again, we'll look at this a little bit closer once the opening bell rings. I don't have those specific levels for you there yet, but BIDU with a nice haircut. Stock did trade briefly as low as 261, now back to 265. This could be a mover and a runner today all over the place, so we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. I'll be working on levels once this video is complete. All right, I'm going to jump over to the gold market. Gold down again today, down by $2.70. Right now it's trading around the $1,286 level. So if you take a look at the GLD, you're going to notice here, this is trading at around 121.95. I still think it's going to go down to the low 121s, if not 121 on the button, and we'll see how that shakes out. But right now you do have gold getting hit a little bit. That usually means the dollar is stronger, and sure enough, dollar is popping. There's no stopping the dollar today. Dollar's moving higher, went all the way up to 93.65, now trading at 93.62. So we'll be watching that closely. Oil today is trading up 3 pennies to $71.53 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF to track the movement, you'll see that's trading at 14.46. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today. Today is a Friday. It's also options expiration for the month of May. And again, we have a pretty good amount of equities out here moving and shaking, and we should get some good morning action. With that being said, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, or if you're a swing trader, come on over, check out the research center. We have all of our swing trades in there. We're having a blockbuster 2018 all the way around. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.